Okay. Good evening, ladies. Welcome back to our GLOW meeting. Although we were hoping for a physical meet this time, because of the surge coming on, we thought let's keep it virtual only. So I'll give you a quick recap of last month. Group Avocado hosted last month's meeting. It was a workshop on chocolate making, and the demonstrator was Disha Bafna, a very well-known chocolatier. So we learned a lot of new ways to make chocolate, and everybody was so enthusiastic. We had some ladies who were making the chocolate along with her, so I think it was a big hit. Today's program is, we have a program which is being hosted by Reach Beyond, the children who we work with at our NGO, Reach Beyond. So they are so excited in giving us a beautiful program. This is in anticipation of our 74th Independence. So really looking forward to it, and they are also super excited. So I welcome Achal now to take on the proceedings.
Thank you, Vandana. Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to all of you. India is celebrating its 75th year of independence tomorrow. It marks freedom from the British Raj. This year, the theme of Independence Day is Nation First, Always First. Although due to the coronavirus pandemic, the celebrations all over India are on a low key. However, not wanting to spoil the festive spirit and to encourage our Reach Beyond children, we have organized some wonderful performances from the children this afternoon. Reach Beyond is an initiative of our very own Gunrock Ladies organization. Our founder president, Jayashree Sangani, has been single-handedly running this organization. Let's all come forth together and lend her a helping hand in order to strengthen this wonderful initiative. So ladies, sit back and enjoy today's brilliant performances by our little children and encourage them. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Jai. So over to Jayashree.
Okay, I won't take long. We have children here who are going to take over. So I introduce Ashika and Samira. They are going to be starting today's program.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Reach Beyond Center for Positive Psychology. Center for Positive Psychology, short form is CPP. It has been established as a part of Reach Beyond Education Society on 31st March 2011 towards optimizing psychological, emotional, social, and physical health by professional psychologists, counselors, remedial educators, and corporate trainers through the science and art of positive psychology. Creativity, hopes, wisdom, courage, spirituality, responsibility, and perseverance are best explained as transformation agents generating authentic positive impulses. Vision. Reach Beyond envision a world where all individuals have the privilege and mean to grow into happy, healthy, positive, and self-regulated individual. Mission of Reach Beyond. We work on the premises of positive psychology and spread our message through our services. Our services. Research and development in psychology. Psychological assessment. Vocational skill building, free and confidential counseling, alternate therapies. Okay, let us show our after school program supported by Gunrock Ladies Organization.
बने दूं चाय चाय
सही नहीं बड़े ग्रुप
एक कॉल नहीं रहा बच्चा करेगी कौन
नहीं रहा है।
ये दूध डालना हाँ
This is our wallpaper, entry wallpaper, fashion designing, tailoring. This is the course happening now, and this is second course, second batch. So this we have like it has happened to us also. Like we were first batch in this course, and now second batch is going on. Yearly picnic. Every year we plan a picnic. Like in schools, they will go yearly picnic planning. So we also plan yearly picnic. Prayer is most important whenever we start or whenever we end. So obviously, every time we do prayer. So here we are going to do programs and performances. There are many people who are waiting for program and excited to see programs. So this is our hall, and here we have classes like class, online classes, everything you will see here and start the class. So this is the this. Now we are going up for library and tailoring for we can see the hall upstairs. And this is tailoring group of the second batch. Happening for second batch. This is our library. There are so many stories and classes. If you want any textbook, we can use from here, and if you want to study at home, we can take one book and again back. So here we come. It is computer room, and small children sit here and do class. And these are the children who are waiting for the program and performances. And they are so excited to do their performance. And you can change the song. Ma'am. Yes. This is our toy bank. Thank you all the members who provided these games, and thank you for very much for supporting us and encouraging us. Thank you. Thank you. Now we will start with our first prayer. Stand up. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And start prayer.